Join WebEx from email. Open the email from your provider or doctor. If you do not see it in your inbox, please check your junk email or call your doctor's office. In the email body, you should see a WebEx meeting similar to the format in the image below. Click the Join Meeting button. This will launch an internet browser page and ask to install the WebEx application. Click the Run button. The WebEx application will then load. When WebEx has loaded, you will see the sign-in screen. Using the keyboard, type your first and last name into the first box and your email address into the second box. Click the Next button. Please join the video visit no earlier than 15 minutes prior to the appointment time, or you will need to repeat steps 1 through 9. If you join earlier than 15 minutes prior to the appointment, you will get a notification that the meeting has not started. Once the meeting has started, you will see this window. Click Skip. In the WebEx Meetings window, check and ensure you are using the computer for audio. Audio on or audio off. Ensure the video is started. Video on or video off. Select the green Join button. Learn more at olathehealth.org.